country how to switch to a healthy plant-based diet. Let's hear it for Nicole.
Thank you. What an introduction. Thank you, Jane. You guys, thank you so much for coming out. I am so grateful and blessed to have all of your boobies in these seats. Hold on, it's about to get lit, okay? We've got 3 awesome plant-based recipes today, and I'm not playing around. You're gonna be jet-fueled and supercharged by the time you walk out of here. And I have focused on breakfast because for me, when I first went plant-based, I used to be an omelet girl. My dad always made us omelets, and I thought...
And what we're gonna do during our time together is really just showing people that it's easy, it can be fun, there's so many great benefits, and I don't want people to have fears around veganism and blocks. Like I want to do anything I can to support people on just making the whole lifestyle a great experience.